creating your personal training schedule, it's important to keep in mind your personal schedule so you can take rest days when you need them. With this schedule, it's flexible enough that you can take the 2 rest days literally any day throughout the week, and you can cover the various muscle groups in any order you want. If there's an area that you're focusing on, then it's best to schedule it after a rest day. That way, you will have the most energy to be able to tackle that particular area. It's also important to note that the smaller muscle groups that recover quickly, abs and calves, are not given days, but can be tagged onto several workouts throughout the week. Here is a sample training schedule along with several exercises you can do for each day. If unsure of the exercises, I suggest searching them on YouTube, and you will quickly see how the exercise is performed. Learn exact technique and proper form. Day 1, Arms. On this day, you'll be focusing on your biceps and triceps. Your bicep and triceps muscles are responsible for allowing you to lift things, and are often what many people focus on when muscle building. This is because your arms are typically the most visible part of your body, so it's the first part of you that people will notice after you've been doing plenty of muscle building. Best biceps exercises. O barbell curl. O standing biceps cable curl. O incline dumbbell curl. O concentration curl. O reverse grip bent over row. Best triceps exercises. O upright dip. O bench dip. O close grip bench press. O triceps push down. O dumbbell overhead triceps press. Day 2, Legs. This day focuses primarily on the quadriceps and hamstrings, and would be a good day to add in calf muscle exercises to cover the entire leg. While many people tend to avoid these difficult exercises, it's important to make sure you're exercising your legs as much as the rest of your body so you have an overall great look rather than looking like Buzz Lightyear. Best legs exercises. O barbell back squat. O barbell front squat. O hack squat sled. O seated leg press. O barbell lunge. Best calf exercises. O seated calf raise. O donkey calf raise. O leg press machine toe press. O standing calf raise. O standing reverse calf raise. Day 3, Shoulders. On this day, you'll focus on building up your shoulder muscles as well as your upper trapezius muscles, which are along your upper back and neck area. These are another important area, so make sure that you have an overall great look after muscle building. If you don't do plenty of shoulder and trap exercises, then your bulky arms will look out of place. Best shoulder exercises. O seated military press. O standing military press. O dumbbell front raise. O dumbbell rear lateral raise. O dumbbell side lateral raise. Best trapezius exercises. O leverage shrug. O Smith machine shrug. O dumbbell shrug. O barbell shrug. O kettlebell sumo high pull. Day 4, Chest. This day is all about building up those chest muscles, and is also a great day to throw in some extra ab muscle workouts. Chest exercises will sculpt your chest muscles and will help you really round out your muscular look, especially when you're getting plenty of abdominal workouts in as well. Women, too, should make sure they're doing chest exercises. Best chest exercises. O flat bench dumbbell press. O barbell bench press. O low incline barbell bench press. O seated machine chest press. O incline bench cable fly. Best abdominal exercises. O machine crunch. O hanging leg raise. O kneeling cable crunch. O knee raise. O plank. Day 5, Back. On this day, you'll work out your back muscles, which can help improve your posture. Having strong back muscles may also help to relieve back pain, but it's important to make sure you're balancing them out with abdominal exercises, since these two groups work together to support your whole upper body. And, of course, back exercises will help you look great by sculpting your back. Best back exercises. O bent over barbell deadlift. O barbell deadlift. O standing T-bar row. O wide grip pull up. O close grip pull down. Days 6 and 7, Rest. Taking these 2 days out of your week to rest are vital for your success as they give your body time to recover and build up your muscle. If you're worried about losing momentum or falling out of the habit of exercising by taking days off, you can schedule in some light or medium intensity cardio during those days, which won't strain your muscles. In the next part we will delve deeper into rest and recovery, which is one of the most important parts of a successful muscle building program. Thanks for watching and listening to my tips. Hopefully this will help your problems. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell to keep you updated with my new videos daily.